Hi guys, I am in beautiful Puerto Vallarta and we will have a walk. Let's start our walk. I hope I will not run into copyright issue due to music, but yeah, let's visit the town. You know, I think Puerto Vallarta is more beautiful than Cancun or Playa del Carmen. I like the old architecture of Puerto Vallarta. It reminds me some of the old, old Mediterranean cities, town like in Greece. Greece, Skiathos. If you've been to those places, I found a little bit of that in the old town here in the center of Puerto Vallarta. You can see the famous spire, like a sail of Puerto Vallarta. This is the third time that I come here. Third travel. I came here first in 2022 during the high season, and during the high season it's a lot more people than this. It's much more crowded than this. But now it's quieter. It's June and it's much more quiet. Yeah, you have all those people trying to sell you stuff you don't even need. That's funny. Yeah, you know why they have low sales, those people? Because they treat you like a human wallet, not like a person. Like you're just a revenue post, a revenue source. Better salespeople, they try to establish some connection. Sometimes it works, but sometimes it doesn't work, because when they try to establish this connection, often it is not a genuine connection. It's fake, and you can feel it's fake. They talk to you, where are you from, how long have you been here, just to sell you something, and you can feel it. That's a beautiful restaurant, isn't it? Really nice design. Yep. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go in the town itself. Let's go by the park. The park, the main square park, is really beautiful. Okay, we're getting close. I see that they're selling horchata coffee. Back when I was living in Spain and in Valencia, they were drinking a lot of horchata. I've never tried Mexican style horchata. Have you tried Mexican horchata? How it is? Tell me. This is the park. It has a Gaudi style mosaic design. Really beautiful, really nice. And then you have in the middle, you have the kiosk. Sometime, I remember the first time I came here, there was a band playing music there. It was really nice. If you have to choose between Playa del Carmen and Puerto Vallarta, Puerto Vallarta is much cheaper, really much cheaper. And also I think it's more beautiful than Playa del Carmen. But Playa del Carmen it's a more it's a newer city and it's more modern. They have more stuff, more infrastructure. But in Playa del Carmen, sometimes you have the microalga problem, sargassum. So sometimes that can be an issue, but you don't have this in the Pacific side. However, in the Pacific side, the water is different than in the Caribbean, you know. Caribbean water, really clear water. Sometimes when there is no sargassum, it's like you're in the Maldives, yeah. Some part of Riviera Maya look like the Maldives. It's really beautiful and nice. So you see, trying to sell you stuff you don't even need, and sometimes it's annoying. But yeah, you have to get used to this. This is the idea that it's like this in all holiday place. As a digital nomad, I've been in more than 60 countries. I can tell you that's not everywhere like this. There are places that are really peaceful where nobody will try to sell you anything. Like I've been in Skiathos in Greece. In Skiathos, if you go there, they will let you in peace at the beach. I've been to many beaches. Lombogan, you know Lombogan in Indonesia? Lombogan, really peaceful, no salespeople. It's really a hot day. If you don't like city beach like this beach, you can take a boat for I believe it's 500 pesos or less. And then you can go to Helapa, which is a kind of, wild place, no building, just the beach and the forest. And you can spend the day there. And then the boat will bring you back at the end of the day, maybe at 6 p.m. It's a nice way to spend a day. But Yelapa is a popular destination, so it could be packed, really packed, with a lot of people.
Okay, so there's a hole in that too. Oh.
Wow, yeah. I remember the first time I walked on that bridge, 2022. It was full of people. Look at the jungle. One thing I like to do is to walk over there to the cruise ship terminal. It's really a long walk, more than 1 hour, but it's really rewarding. And there I like, nearby there's a nice beach, and the sunset is nice there. I don't know if I will do this walk today. It's really hot and it's really early, like it's 1 p.m. It's too early to walk over there, but it's something I look forward to do in the coming days. People trying to sell you stuff. They don't see I am shooting my video. I'm not into a consuming mode. But see, that's the things. The guy see me with a camera. He see me. I am talking to a camera, to a microphone, but he's still waving his hands, saying, "Hey, come here, buy me stuff." He doesn't see me as a human being. He see me as a source of revenue. Then he's surprised I am not interested. France is playing at the World Cup today. On a place natural, organic. It's always interesting to visit place at different time of the year. When it is the high season, here it's full of people sitting here, enjoying their time. There's people dancing, doing some stuff like magic and other things. Lot of activity here during the high season. Now it's just really quiet. If you're just looking for a beach and relax holiday, Puerto Vallarta is perhaps more interesting than Playa del Carmen, because here I am, my Airbnb is a really big apartment, really big. And I pay the same for the same in Playa del Carmen. I will be in a small studio, really small one, really small studio. But here I am, I have a huge apartment. So it's you get better thing for the equivalent price of Playa del Carmen. But maybe Playa del Carmen is more to offer. But if you are just looking for beach and relaxation, here it will be okay, to be honest. I think I will end the video with this beautiful view of the Puerto Vallarta sign. So my friends, see you soon.